Uh,
But you ask me questions.
yeah, I mean, if you want to say about yourself, where are you from,
You
and
have to ask me,
okay,
and then
where are you from?
I from America, California,
Oh,
but
California.
but I live in Thailand.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah,
And how do you feel came on this location?
it's beautiful. Look how beautiful this is. It's very nice. Nepal is very beautiful, and especially when you get to see the big mountains.
Oh,
And
and then, I mean, how? I mean, why? I mean, which date do you came here?
I came 1 month ago.
1 month ago, and
I
still you are wandering here and there.
I have another week and a half
Yeah.
before I head back to Thailand. Yes.
Oh,
So
I
here
mean,
6 weeks
6 week itinerary
in.
you make to visit here.
Yes.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
I
yeah.
feel very happy to talk with you.
No
And at
problem.
the last, you just share about how you feel about Nepalese people, or how the location for international people if they want to visit in, I mean, in future.
Yeah, Nepal is fantastic. It's got so many different things to see, and hike. Besides hiking, is nice people. The food is good. Not my favorite, but good.
Yeah. I mean, we are different culture and
Yeah,
our way of consuming our,
yeah,
I mean, I mean, our food is, our meal is different
yeah,
from Western culture.
yeah. It's
And
different.
then
But I
one
like chili momo is the best.
chili momo is the best. And then last, I mean, are you really feel happiest while you are connected with nature?
Of course, nature is the best. It's the way to keep my brain okay and keep myself young. I am 70 years old.
Oh my God, we are. He's just maybe under 20, maybe 16, or both guys are around 20s, and I'm around 25s.
Okay.
And we also capturing different videos and around different peoples, around different world people,
Excellent.
how they feel about the Nepal.
Nepal is
Even in
lovely.
future I will travel different location. I'm
Good.
making plan.
Good. Come to Thailand.
Yeah, if I mean very soon I will go to Thailand.
It's not that far. Only 4 hours to fly. It's close.
But I mean Thailand is the jungle of concrete. But I want to.
What?
I mean,
No, Thailand is beautiful
beautiful. I mean, I
and
want.
great nature.
Yeah. I mean, I just want to visit our nature.
Much nature in Thailand.
Oh, I
Much
mean,
nature.
you suggest.
Beaches, but in the north they have mountains. Well, not mountains like Nepal mountains.
Sorry for that. I didn't know. I mean, I just
Yeah.
search on net, and then if there is good itinerary or good location, I definitely go there.
Okay. And also Vietnam, northern Vietnam,
I mean,
beautiful.
how many countries did you visit?
I've been to 39 countries.
39 countries. Oh my God, this is very. I mean, I'm meeting a person who have a very good experience on nature or different countries. I mean, you already.
Every country I like to go to nature.
Yeah, I'm on your point. I mean, you already visit more than, I mean, around 39 countries. Among them, which country do you connect nature with best way?
Oh, so many countries and nature different ways. Every country different, right?
But I mean, the best of best. I mean, there is best, but
For
best
what?
of
You
best.
want beaches, you want mountains, you want what do you depend? You want forests. Where it depends.
It
Hey,
depends on.
some of the best nature is in California.
Oh
It's
yeah,
so
yeah.
nice. But then you have lots of people also.
Yeah. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
You
I
bet.
feel very pleasure to meet you.
You
And
bet.
if the world is around, if we will visit in next
Good.
time, next location.
Okay. Good.
Okay.
Namaste.
Namaste.